Hey drone enthusiasts, whether you're a newbie or have some experience under your belt, there's always room to improve your drone flying skills. Ever dreamt of mastering your drone like a pro? Imagine the thrill of having complete control and capturing breathtaking footage effortlessly. Well, buckle up because in just 3 minutes, I'm going to share some killer tips to elevate your drone flying game. These tips are designed to help you fly with confidence and precision. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Understanding the fundamentals is crucial before you dive into more advanced maneuvers. Before you even think about taking off, make sure your drone is fully charged and all systems are good to go. A pre-flight checklist can save you from potential mishaps. Trust me, there's nothing worse than your battery dying mid-flight. Got that? Always keep an eye on your battery levels to avoid unexpected landings. Great. Now find an open space. This is essential for safe and uninterrupted flying. I can't stress this enough. Safety should always be your top priority. Avoid crowded places, tall buildings, and trees. These obstacles can interfere with your drone's signal and increase the risk of crashes. Open fields or parks are perfect for beginners. Safety first, folks. These areas provide ample space to practice without worrying about obstacles. Alright, now for the fun part, takeoff. This is where the excitement begins. Start by calibrating your drone's compass. This step ensures your drone knows its orientation and can navigate accurately. This ensures your drone knows what's up and what's down. Proper calibration is key to a stable flight. Next, slowly push the throttle up. Don't rush it. Gradual movements help you maintain control. Get a feel for how your drone lifts off the ground. This initial liftoff is crucial for understanding your drone's responsiveness. Once you're in the air, practice hovering. This helps you get comfortable with maintaining a steady position. Keep your drone steady at a fixed altitude. Mastering this will make your flight smoother and your footage more professional. This is crucial for getting those sweet, stable shots later on. A steady hover is the foundation of great aerial photography. Also, try rotating your drone 360 degrees while hovering. This maneuver helps you understand your drone's orientation from different angles. This will help you get comfortable with its orientation. Knowing how your drone responds to different inputs is essential for precise control. Now let's talk about movement. Mastering basic movements is the next step in becoming a skilled pilot. Start with simple forward and backward flights. These basic maneuvers help you get a feel for your drone's speed and responsiveness. Then move on to side-to-side movements. This adds another layer of control to your flying skills. The key here is smooth, controlled motions. Smooth movements result in better footage and a more enjoyable flying experience. Avoid jerky movements to keep your drone stable and your footage smooth. Consistency is key to capturing professional quality video. Don't forget to practice landing. A controlled descent is just as important as a smooth takeoff. Bring your drone down slowly and steadily. Rushing this step can lead to hard landings and potential damage. Use the throttle to control your descent. Gradual adjustments help you land safely. Try to land on a flat, stable surface. This minimizes the risk of tipping over and ensures a safe landing. Trust me, nailing the landing is just as important as a smooth takeoff. Feeling more confident? A good landing sets you up for your next flight. Awesome. Now let's spice things up with some advanced moves. These will take your skills to the next level. Try the figure 8 pattern. This maneuver challenges your control and precision. Fly your drone in a horizontal 8 shape. This helps you practice smooth turns and transitions. This is great for improving your control and precision. Mastering this pattern will make you a more confident pilot. Another cool move is the orbit. This maneuver is perfect for capturing dynamic shots. Fly your drone in a circular pattern around a fixed point. This creates a stunning visual effect. This is perfect for capturing dynamic shots of a subject. It adds a professional touch to your footage. Just remember to keep a safe distance to avoid any crashes. Safety should always be your priority. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be flying your drone like a pro in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. With these tips, you'll be flying your drone like a pro in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you fly, the better you'll get. So get out there, have fun, and capture some epic footage. Thanks for watching. Your journey to becoming a drone master starts now. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone flying content. Happy flying! Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to take your drone skills to the next level.